Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. My name is Ada. On this channel I share simple tech tutorials for beginners using Android phone. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial on how to know or see the app that is consuming the most data on your phone, okay? On your Android phone rather. So if you want to know, or if that sounds like what you're interested in, continue watching. Technically, the app, okay, that takes the most data on your phone is mostly the app you use, okay? So if you use a particular app often, it tends to take more data compared to the app you don't normally use. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to head over to the settings um, app on your phone. This is the setting app on my phone. Then I tap on it. So once I tap on it, I'm going to go to apps and notification. So on your Android phone, go to apps and notification or apps. It depends on how yours is, okay? So apps and notifications, then I tap on it. So once I go to apps and notification and I tap on it, it will take me to where all these apps are, okay? Where all these apps are. Okay, so here are basically all the apps I have on my phone. Take for instance, I usually use or I often use Google Chrome. So let's take Google Chrome as an instance. Okay, okay, this is Google Chrome. So you can apply this to any app, okay, to compare what the apps that consume most data, okay, compare the apps, all right. So just follow this tutorial, okay. Like I said, I'm going to compare like 3 different apps, okay, on this phone. The first app you're going to check is Google Chrome. So once you tap on the app, tap on Google Chrome. So once it opens, you're going to see data usage, okay? Now data usage 8.42 gig used since August 14th. So this app has consumed 8.42 gig since August 14th. Okay, now we're in November. Now from August, September, October, November, that is barely 3 months. This app, Google Chrome, has consumed 8.42 data. Okay, now to go further, you tap on it to compare it month by month, that is 30 days, to compare it with 30 days. Okay, July 18th to August 17th, let's check how much data this app consumed. Okay, as you guys can see, it consumed a total of 107 MB, okay, from July 18th to August 17. Okay, let's go to August 18 to September 18. This is an average of 30 days. Let's tap on it. As you guys can see, this is more compared to the previous month. So it depends on your usage, okay? I used this app more from August 18th to September 17th. As you guys can see, the total is far more than the previous month, okay? So it goes like that. September 18, I used it more. September 18. So it depends on how you use this app on a monthly basis, okay? For October 18th to November 17th, this was how much this data or this app consumed in terms of data. And the last year is November 18th to December 17th, which we are still in, okay? So from 18th up till 20, today is 22nd November. Now from 18th November to 22nd November, this is the total of data this app has consumed. From November 18th to December 17th, that is about 1 month. Then we're going to know the total of what the Google Chrome app consumed in terms of data. Okay, like I said, we're going to use 3 different apps to compare. All right, now another app I use mostly is also Canva. Let's tap on Canva. Then once you tap on the app, like I said, you go to the data usage. Now this is the data or amount of data this Canva app consumed in 3 months, 0.94 gig. Okay, then you go ahead to check. If you guys can see, from 18th November till 22nd November, as at when I'm doing this tutorial, this app has consumed um 54.94 MB. Okay, so this is what this app has consumed in, say, technically 4 days. Okay, in 4 days. All right, then to go further, you compare from 30 days, July 18th to August 17th. Okay, so this is what the um, app has consumed. Then fast forwarded to October 18th to November 17th. This is what app this app called Canva has consumed in terms of data. So it depends on the app and how often you use the app. Okay, so that is for that. So let me go to an app I don't often use, or I don't use regularly. Okay, let me just go to an app I don't use. Let me check. Let me go to an app I don't use often. Okay, let me just check and go to an app I don't always use. Okay, where is that app? Okay, let me use Otter. Let me tap on this particular app. So in terms of data usage, in the space of 3 months, I've used 43.12 MB only. Okay, so this app, I don't use this app regularly. Okay, so as you guys can see, from November 18th to today, I'm making this tutorial, which is November 22nd. Okay, this app has consumed 41.12 MB data. Okay, then let's use any of those dates to also compare. Let's take September. As you guys can see, no data. Like I told you, I don't use this app. Okay, so it then means I didn't even use this app. I didn't even use this app from September 18th to October 17th. Let me still go to October 18th to November 17th. Hope you guys are seeing this. So it depends on how often you use an app. Okay, so if you use an app regularly, okay, it tends to consume more data, and that is how it is. So this is how to find out and compare the app, okay, that takes or consumes more data on your phone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and as well subscribe. So that's basically how you can find out and compare between apps, okay, depending on usage, to check the apps that consume the most data on your phone. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like I said, share, and subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.